Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday morning. Robin left with her brother about 5:30 this morning. He was running early. Okay, let the food adventure begin. But let's talk about what I did last night. Last night, I did poppy seed chicken, which is basically a casserole done in a sauté pan or a skillet. And I topped that off with, from Amy, the personal chef, her recipe for mashed potato stuffed portobello mushrooms. Both of them were very good. Let's talk about the poppy seed chicken. Again, it's basically a casserole done in a skillet, aka sauté pan. Call it as you will. It's super easy. It's kind of a dump and run. You do have to cook the chicken prior to, which I did, of course, which made the house smell really good because I added herbs and so forth. It's good. If I do it again, I will probably kick it up a notch or two. But it's not something that Robert and I discussed it like we always discuss or my dinners after we eat. It's not something I'm going to crave. Yeah. The portobello mushrooms from Amy, they're good. That's a fun recipe. Robert and I discussed it. I could probably kick up. No, you can't really kick up a mushroom cat, but it was nice what Amy did with the mashed potatoes. A little bit too much liquid for me. But yeah, that's fun. We'll do that again. So again, I haven't even said, tonight, I'm cooking alone. I'm eating alone. I'm doing garlic Parmesan chicken bites. All right, let's get to it. All right, I got the hardware going. We've got chicken. We've got butter, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, Parmesan, of course, because it's in the recipe's name. Parsley. I'm going to be adding onion, and what's not shown here, I will pick it up after my haircut. It's Monday morning, folks. I'll be adding red pepper, sliced red pepper to this, and I'm going to be serving that over buttered egg noodles. So, I'm taking this recipe. It's a very simple recipe. I'm going to kick it up a couple notches with the onion and the red bell pepper. Yes, I'm wearing a hat this morning because I have a haircut at 9 to get all of this taken care of. And my mustache, I'm chewing on it. Yeah. So, on this Monday, this marvelous Monday, have a great day. Eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.